All right, today since it's already October, October 2, 2015, we have a special Halloween review brought to you by Alex and Danny. And it's a nice little item that they're going to show you guys. What do you have there, Alex?
I have the spooky time pumpkin doorbell with talking spider.
Okay.
Let's open it. It's like double. Oh no.
Yeah, just leave it off. It's okay.
Okay.
I'll show everybody the mask. Okay.
Let's do it again.
Ooh, there's like a spider.
Yeah.
Right, show everybody. Show everybody close up. Okay, how does it, oh, not too close. Alright, there. How does it work?
You just press this button and...
We'll show him the spider. Okay. There's like a spider that comes out, right? Ooh! Is it scary?
Yes.
It's scary?
Yeah.
You think we'll scare a lot of trick-or-treaters?
Yeah.
What do you think, Danny?
It's nice. Yes. Yes.
Alright, where do you think we're gonna hang it?
In the door.
Awesome.
In the door, yeah.
Alright, cool. What do you think? What's the grade?
10.
10 over 10?
Yeah.
Alright, one more time. Press the button.
It's okay.
Alright, say goodbye.
Bye. Bye. Bye.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.